Hi everyone. Welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on and off shuffle on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how. Let's get started. Open your Spotify application. You can easily turn on and off shuffle on Spotify. Tap on the playlist, and you can see songs here. Tap on the first song and click on the songs playing to see on the big screen. You can see the shuffle icon on the bottom left of the screen. Tap on it, and your shuffle is off. And your songs won't be played randomly. If you want to play the songs serially according to the playlist, tap on the circle icon at the right bottom of the screen. This is how you turn off and on shuffle on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions and feedback, comment down below on the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for more updates, and press the bell icon to notify you whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.